Pisces, this is your channel messages for the 25th of May. Pisces, your channel message is the Queen of Wands. No, I'm sorry. My apologies. Your channel message is the King of Swords, the Devil card, Taurus. So I'm getting Satanists like to talk a lot. They like to talk a lot and fish for information. Pisces is the fishes. So I'm getting there is either a Caucasian man or a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius man that's fishing for information. Now somebody might be I'm getting somebody work with the government. It could be a spy. If it's not a spy, I'm getting somebody who reports to the government. Them report back to, right? They're undercover. So I'm getting this man fishing for information, the Devil card. Maybe the man want to know the devious things you ever done. He want to know your secrets. I'm getting him a fish for dark information on you, or him a fish for information that can be used against you. I'm also getting the Devil card and Taurus. So maybe somebody want to take you fishing. No, I'm also getting I'm getting either somebody is going to do something very, very evil in your name. Somebody did something very, very evil and them trying to say a Taurus told them to do it. Or I'm getting there's a Aries, there's a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius man. Or there's a Pisces man who was doing something evil to you, and I'm getting a Capricorn have your back. Okay? So we have the King of Swords, the Devil card, Taurus. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. I was also getting Pisces. What kind of parent do you call you? You see, this is why even though I do not want to get pregnant and have a baby, I still know what good parenting is. For why you have your child going to school and you decide to pick up your child from school and you and the child is walking back home, but the child is carrying their knapsack. For why? What kind of parent are you? Blasphemy. You're such a terrible parent. How could you go to school to pick up your child, but you're not carrying your child's backpack? You went to pick up your child, and when the child is walking home, the child still carry their own bag. Why you never take the bag off of your child? You see, that's the difference between good parenting and parents who are around. In Jamaica, when mothers are taking their kids to school, it don't matter how big or small them is, them always carry the bag until they reach the school gate. And when them pick up them kids, them say, give me a bag. And the parents put on the bag. And the kids them walk free. What kind of parent are you picking up your child from school and you're making your child walk with the fucking bag home? And you're there upon your phone. Terrible parenting. Perhaps your daughter needs a stepmother. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. All right, let's go. I'm also getting there's something that a Taurus or a Capricorn, it could be a Pisces. I'm getting there's something you're very, very comfortable doing and somebody likes that. Maybe you're very, very comfortable talking to, I don't know if this is something like you have unruly Karens and unruly Kevins in your building. Maybe you have unruly white people. I'm getting because Capricorn black, Taurus black. So I'm getting something about somebody want to use you for speak to a certain demographic. I'm getting them want you to not give a fuck. I'm getting someone's looking for a type of person who is not a who. I'm getting you're not scared of black people and you're not scared of white people. Something like that. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Terrible parent. Terrible. Terrible. You're as terrible as the women who pack sandwiches for their husbands to go to work. Really, bitch? Really, bitch? Really, bitch? Really, bitch? I remember when I was married, my ex-husband, every minute he want me to do sandwich for him. And it burned my soul. Who the fuck eats a sandwich? You never even asked me if I make a burger for you. Where I could have laid the burger. Fucking salami sandwich. Fucking turkey sandwich. It's because his mother was used to making sandwich for him. And him they work in a construction. So what the fuck can bread, cheese, and fucking turkey slices do for a man who work construction? Do you see the Spanish people? Do you see how much fucking shit they're eating on break? No, me don't know if this is something about your child going to school and your child pack lunch. You're giving your child fucking sandwich to eat at school. I feel bad for your child. Your child needs a stepmother to cook for them and pack proper lunch. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Sandwich. The fuck is that? You never even said burger. Let's go. Pisces. Let's go. First card out. We have the death card coming out first. Okay? Yeah, the death. We're getting something with a Scorpio. Alright? We're getting something with a urology. A urology. We have Pisces, King of Swords, the Devil card, and Taurus. Or it could be something about a mortician. No, I don't know if you're highly spiritual. I'm not sure how. I'm not sure what my recommendation to you. You see, when you read cards or you're very spiritual, there are certain places that can be a hinder to you, or it can be a boost to you. Places like a hospital, old age homes, morgues, them can either kill you, as in you get sick and you're dead, or it actually help you. I'm getting something about necromancy or the walking dead. Cause I'm getting somebody a fish. Them a fish for information or them a fish for something. Maybe somebody I wonder why them spell not working. I'm getting because they're protected by a Capricorn. They're protected by the devil. Because even if somebody try to kill you, your soul have to go heaven or hell. Capricorn rule hell. So is it that the Capricorn is like, we're not going, heaven has rejected you, but the devil say you are a good servant. I won't let you burn here. So I don't know if you're in a limbo, if you're in a purgatory, or I'm getting the walking dead. You're dead, but you're still walking around. The devil, Capricorn, here we go. Yeah. I'm literally getting heaven reject you, and the devil say you worship me too well. I will not make you burn in hell. I'm going to show you. Pisces, King of Swords, the Devil card, Taurus. Here's your Devil card. Here's your Devil card. I'm getting very used to showing you. Here you go. The Devil card. The Devil card. Pisces, the Devil card. The Devil card. Yeah. And I'm sure what the fuck is this. I'm getting whatever this is, it requires you to not be afraid of the dead and not be afraid of the devil. I'm getting something about a ritual. I don't know. I'm getting somebody want you to witness this ritual. But I'm getting the ritual. The ritual will mad you. Like you'll have nightmares after you see this. Me getting is like somebody want you to witness them a slaughter somebody for adrenochrome. Me literally getting something like that. Cause me getting you dead, but the devil said no, you're not burned here. No, you can't be here. Yeah, see the Devil card and the Devil card and the Death card. No, Pisces is here, King of Swords. I'm not sure if a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius want to know where them going go after them dead. I'm getting hell. Not exactly sure what you did to a Taurus. But what I am getting is there may be time for your soul to be saved. But as it is now, you're going to fucking hell. You should fucking know that. Yeah, we have the Page of Cups. Maybe you're a young... It could be something about you did murder. I don't know if you did murder. Or I don't know if you did something to one young guy. I'm getting something about this young guy. No, I should tell you. You see, if you're a man and when you were growing up, you did get abused and you did get neglected. I'm getting the most sinister and evil shit that happened to you when you were younger. And now you became an adult. I don't know if you target everybody and do sinister shit to them or you only do sinister shit to certain people. Because I'm getting you say that people did things to me, so if I come out being a monster, why do I get blamed for it? It's because you so-called have free will, which I don't believe that people have free will. But if you believe it, let's go ahead with your ideology. It's because you have the opportunity to change it, to turn it around. Now, maybe helping the needy and being a servant of the Lord does not satisfy your soul, knowing how much shit you went through and the Lord was absent. So the same monsters who used to prey on you, maybe you're a monster preying on monsters. You don't prey on the innocent. Or me getting something about when you were, me getting the death of this boy. One boy, something happened. I don't know if it didn't mean to kill him or it was an accident. Maybe you're young. Maybe you're under 20. Yeah, you're under 20 right now, your soul will go hell. I don't know what you do or what you did. Now, this could also be something about a Ouija board, or you fuck with graveyard. You're fucking with something in the graveyard. You fuck with some type of... This is an extraterrestrial. You fuck with some type of demonology. I'm getting something about demonology. We have the... Yeah, where you there? Because I'm getting you decide to go to this haunted house. Because you feel like it was great. And some of these haunted houses you see on Halloween, you need to be very careful. Real shit in the house. I'm getting something about somebody did jump from the balcony. Or I'm getting this young guy. I don't know how old you are, but I don't know why you did something. And we also have the King of Swords. Yeah. See? That's what we got. Look. I have to show you again. Look. The Devil card. The King of Swords. Pisces. The Devil card. Sorry. The Devil card. King of Swords. Here's it. Devil card. King of Swords. So this could be something about what your father did to you. I'm getting what this man did. So I don't know if the man used to rape you. Or I'm getting you just did hate your father. You hated your father so much. Your father was always a fucking... I'm getting your father was very, very abusive. Maybe you were never an evil person. You only learned to be evil from the abuse that happened to you. So, I don't know, I feel like, because Taurus can be the Hierophant, maybe you confess your sins. Maybe you harm one of your parents, maybe you kill your father, because your father was abusive. The church will forgive you. I don't see why. I'm getting you did harm your father. I don't know if you did push him off something, or if you did kill him, but I'm getting when you did it, you were young. Or I'm getting it does not matter how old you are, your father, they always make you feel. I'm getting your father very evil. Is it that you evil? Is it that you have an evil son? Or I'm getting your father is very evil. So I don't know if you did, I'm getting you did take out your father. And you wonder, am I a bad person for taking out my father? Your father did very, very abusive. Then I don't think you're a bad person. I'm not sure what your pastor will tell you, but the Hierophant, Jacronium is telling you, you can be forgiven. I don't see why not. Let's continue the reading. The death card is clarified by the Hermit. Is your father a Virgo? We're getting something about a ghost. It could be the ghost of this child haunting you or the ghost of a Gemini. Yeah, the ghost. So the ghost here. One ghost will haunt you, one ghost will follow you. Speaking of ghosts, good morning. You okay? Ghost? I hope you're okay because I live with a ghost. I know, right? Yeah, beginning the ghost. I'm getting the ghost of a Virgo or the ghost of a Scorpio. Or I'm getting this investigation. No, I don't know if when you were younger you did accidentally kill somebody and your father did cover it up for you. The Devil card is clarified. The Devil card is clarified by the Death card. What the fuck is this? Bro, wait, what's happening? We have the Death card 2 times. We have double death. Pisces. Maybe there was a hit put out on your life 2 times. Me getting at least 2 times and put a hit out on your life. Virgo. Somebody say you're evil. Me getting the death card with the ghost, then me getting the death card with the devil. Me getting something, me getting like you get a second chance at life. Or the Page of Cups is clarified by the Fool. Yeah, you get a second chance, the Fool. Me don't know if when you were little you tried to kill your son. Or your son tried to kill you. Me getting you used to do very, very fucked up things to your son. Unbearable things. I don't know if you used to beat him, if you used to starve him. I don't know what you used to do. But me getting alright, me getting the Page of, is this a Pisces? Me getting everything okay. Maybe you had to take part in a very in nasty rituals. And your father did push you in it. Maybe you had to do certain things. You have to take part in these rituals. And yes, if me was young and adults forced me for the evil things, am I evil? Me getting the Fool card. Me getting you're free. Your soul reset. The Tower card is clarified by the 5 of Wands. And the King of Swords is clarified the Star card. Yeah. Me getting rejuvenation, hope. Or me getting your father told you to do some nasty shit to this girl. Me don't know what kind of nasty shit you did, but first of all, me getting you and your father in a one argument, or you and these people in a one big argument because of this woman. Or because of what you do. Me getting something about when you were younger, your father used to make you walk around the house naked as a boy. Maybe your father used to dress you up in a girl clothes and laugh at you or take videos of you. Me getting one big fight that gonna happen. Me don't know if the son or the father. But me getting like if your father did evil, your father had the audacity to tell you say you're evil. Your father had the audacity to call you a monster. Yeah, but where you learning from? Not him. Maybe you did witness your first dead body while your father buried it. Because me getting when you were young, you involved in some shit you never understand and your body couldn't comprehend it. There is no women here other than this woman. And her clothes off. Maybe there's something about the murder of this woman. Me know if somebody did rape and murder this girl. Or me getting you saying that you only harm men. You don't harm women. Me getting one Gemini, Libra, Aquarius did harm this woman. So you harm him. But me getting you here saying, me I go hell? Am I wrong? Am I a monster? Sweetie, if you think you're a monster, imagine how God feel. Imagine how bad God feel for leaving Jesus Christ on that fucking cross while making humans slaughter him. There is redemption. There is forgiveness. You have to know. There is forgiveness. You can forgive. And I don't mean running to a pastor and asking for forgiveness. You have to just, your soul can be forgiven. Because they would say if you murder innocent people, you're a monster. But what if you did murder monsters? Does that make you a monster too? I'm getting something about the death of this girl. I'm getting you saying, no, we'll only do it to men. Why you get the girl involved? Why you get her involved? I'm getting something tick you. And you hurt somebody or you push somebody off something. Maybe the death is being covered up. But I'm getting you embarrassed for talk about something that used to happen to you. We have sleep. We have Pluto. Yeah, me getting something. I don't know if somebody have sex with a woman's corpse. Something like that. Yeah, have sex with the corpse of this woman. We have Libra. Yeah, me getting something about one Libra is an air sign. It's a King of Swords. Something about what one Libra did do to this girl. I'm getting a sense like, you know. We have Capricorn. We have religious agenda. And we also have human and sex trafficking. Yeah. Capricorn is a devil card. Taurus did not come out though. I'm getting some about one Capricorn. Or I'm getting a saying that an eye for an eye. A tooth for a tooth. A life for a life. I'm getting a say, you can't get away with that, but if me commit the same crime, you punish me. I'm getting a saying, you kill one, me kill one. Or if you commit murder, then if somebody commit murder against you, then why am I wrong? I'm kind of getting something about a Scorpio or a Virgo. Let me teach you how to do this. What I'm getting is only males. It's only males it used to be done to. But something about this woman. Tick you. I'm getting your head, it get thick. And you were like, no, not women. We're supposed to do it to women. Maybe you find out say your father traffic your sister. You find out say your father traffic your girlfriend. You find out say the men who you were with, them they are hurt females. Me getting a woman, when a woman came into the picture, that's where you went mad. Maybe you were very protective of your mother. Maybe you never had a mother. I'm going to leave it here, Pisces. Until next time, bye.